Gotta savor this.
Hey! It's been 3 hours! Now get out!
Come on, just be done already! Let's go! Sorry. Soup's cold anyway. Main course it is. Almost done. Ugh! I'm over this. See ya!
But Claire isn't done yet, guys! Seriously? Time for a little encouragement. Go Claire! One more bite! Yeah! Come on. Yes, one more bite. Sir, you've gotta leave with your friend here. Walk on out, got it? I give up. I was trying to make a point. Okay, Claire. Look over there. We're cleaning this plate, okay? Here comes the green bean train. Ugh. Nope. Not on my watch.
What's going on?
It's challenge time.
Ah! Huh? Where are we? I really like this outfit. Bring on the first dish! Ha! Is it coming? Oh! Pizza, my favorite! Yay! And it's packed with veggies!
Wow! Vegetables, huh? Oh.
Okay. I'd better prepare for food battle. It's game time! Whew! Efficiency is gonna be key here. This way, I'll take as few bites as possible. First bite coming on in.
This knife isn't too sharp. It's taking a minute here. There. I think I can take my first bite now. But first, time to fill the crust. Doesn't this look absolutely divine? Can't forget those green peppers. And exactly 6 olives. There. Now let's see. Will this make for the perfect first bite? Oh! What is this blasphemy? My beautiful pizza! Haven't you heard of slices? Perfection. Mwah! Simply delicious.
Whatever.
No!
What?
I can't let you do this!
Oh, really?
Wanna fight about it? This pizza is precious, you hear? Hey! Why are you moving around like that? Do you think this is funny? I'll show you funny! Ooh! Oh boy, I'm losing control here! Incoming!
Ha! Yum! So good!
Dear God! I've never seen anything like this!
Boy, am I stuffed. Phew! Hi there! Here we go! This is gonna be fun! Donuts? These are the stuffed kind! And mine have sprinkles on them! My mouth's watering already! Yay! This is gonna be so good! Shall we? Oh, definitely! Jelly donut number 1, baby! Almost there! Haven't reached any jelly quite yet. Just getting around the border here. Uh-huh. Just take a real bite. This is maddening. Time to focus on my donuts. Woohoo!
Whoa!
Wow! Here they come! Gotta get there in time! Whoa! Okay, I made it! Ooh, now I'm ready.
Phew! What goes up must come down.
Wow! Ha! To each your own. Little bites are the way to go. Last bite. That was great. Yum!
Whoa!
Grape! Yay! I'm good at catching food, I guess. Ready for the next round? Ha! The speeds have been assigned. And these are a lot of cookies. No problem here. I know. I like to separate the cookie from the cream. Perfection! On to the next! Cream be gone! Ha! That's That's more like it. Still got plenty to go. And now for the ultimate cookie sandwich! With cream piled high to the sky! There! It really is a thing of beauty, isn't it? Definitely! But I like to eat mine a bit differently. Gotta have my milk ready to go. That's a good spot, I think. This one's got a nice weight to it. Easy, easy… Okay. There! Ready for your milk bath? I'm going in! I don't even hit the glass, see? Now that's what I call a perfect dip. Oh no! The cookie must have fallen in! Bummer. I guess I can try this again with another one. Round 2. In you go. So far so good. Oh! Hello? I'm great! How are you? Oh, this is next level! Bye! Okay, it's cookie time! What? Oh well. Now how do I get this in my mouth? Ooh! This better work this time. Now stay on that fork. Almost there! Claire? Oh, stay focused. Uh-huh. Yes! No! What am I doing wrong? I did it! Wait. The cookies are soft in here! Which means I have chocolate milk! You've gotta love a happy accident! So creamy! Only one thing left to do here. Don't spill! I want in on the cookie action! Hey! Wait! Stop drinking so fast, Claire! My precious cookies. So sad. That was spectacular! Ha! We're ready for the next round, people! Ooh! Nothing better than a bowl of spaghetti, and there's cheese on it too! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Let's do this! Alrighty then. I like to eat one noodle at a time. Ah, very nice. And now for the slurp. Almost there. And we're done. Yum. Next noodle, please. Having a little trouble with this one. Jeez, Claire. You're really only eating one noodle at a time? You bet I am! And this one's a real beauty. Whoa! Here we go! Oops. Ugh. Oh no. Come on! Gah! Nope. Are you ready for some fun, Mr. Fork? We were born for a challenge like this. One good bite is all we need. Wow! Let's do it! Oh, it won't quite fit in there. Here! Let me help you!
Is it raining? Curse you, clouds! That guy really got sauced, huh?
1, 2, 3! Okay, we'll deal! Fried chicken? Looks like I just won the jackpot! It's still nice and hot, too! This is gonna be good!
Oh yeah!
Well, I'm starting with a wing.
Wait, hold on a sec.
Huh? What?
Let's do it at the same time, okay? But take the bones out first. Pretty cool, huh? Makes it way easier to eat.
I think I can do that. You pull right here. And… Oh! Sorry about that.
You're stronger than I thought. Try another piece. Just hold it in your mouth. And boom! Get it?
Got it! Just put it in my mouth. Ooh. I can't quite get it. I just took all the skin off it! I can't do this.
Watch! Really bite down like this. Ta-da! All done!
Well, okay. I think I can do this. Think strong. Put it between your teeth and pull!
I said pull!
Hey! It's off! Now wait a minute.
What's in my mouth? Aw, man. That was extraordinary. My turn. I'll eat as many as can fit in this pie hole. Yum! Almost there. Go, Leo, go! That's almost the entire plate there. That was something else. Uh-oh. Here they come. That's a lot of bones! Careful where you aim that mouth, dude! Wait! Be careful! So many bones! Ugh! I'm so sorry about that. But hey, at least I finished, right?
Alright, next challenge time. Yes! I gained another hand this time! Well, at least I've got one hand. Hey! A burger! A burger should be really easy to eat with two hands. No kidding! And I'm feeling pretty good about my single hand, too. This looks really good. And I'm pretty hungry, to be honest. Go, go, go! You can do it, Julie! Okay, here I go! Down the hatch, burger! Yeah, like that! You're totally doing it! So delicious! That was exactly what I needed. Wow, you really scarfed that down quickly. Well, I guess it's my turn. Hello, burger. How am I supposed to eat this? Watching Julie has just confused me. Maybe if I turn it like this? Nothing's working. I can't figure it out and now I'm frustrated. There we go. Finally got that piece of lettuce out of my teeth. A magnifying glass. Hey, can I borrow that? I think I might have a good idea about how to deal with this burger. Yep, this magnifying glass is just the key I need. Ta-da! My mouth is bigger now, so I can fit the whole burger in one bite. Wow. I'm actually really impressed. I know! Thank you! Ugh! Oops. Sorry about that. What the heck? I'm covered in food now! That's why you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. Yeah, sorry about that. What? Bummer. Why am I always short at a hand or two? Oh, it's a can of soda. At least I know I can do this one-handed. Well, I definitely know I can handle it with two hands. Ta-da! Wasn't even hard. Two hands makes everything easy. Check this out. My can of soda is open and ready to drink. And you know what? I'm gonna make this even fancier. I'll just pour this into the pretty martini glass. Ooh, yeah. Look at all that carbonation. It's gonna be cool and refreshing and I'll finish it off with a slice of lemon. There we go. I'm now ready to drink. Man, she's making it look so good and thirst-quenching. But I mean seriously. Ugh! Oh, I see you've noticed my sun hat and sunglasses. Well, only the best for me, of course. Well, whatever. I guess I should open mine then. Come on, Julie. You can do this. Don't let her show you up. Come on, Chin. You can definitely help me with this one. Maybe I can open it with my teeth? Ow. My tooth. Wait. I think I have a good idea. I need to try my teeth again. Got it! Now I just bite it as hard as I can. And now I just need to pop the top. Yes! I did it! What the heck? I'm covered in soda! Yay! I finally get to drink and quench my thirst. Julie, I'm totally soaked in your soda! Well, sorry about that, I guess. Ugh, whatever. Just drink your soda. Next challenge time! Again? Come on, when do I get a break? Yes! French fries! Oh, I'm so excited. It's my favorite food! Not to mention, they should be easy to eat with only one hand. Yoink! Don't mind if I do. Delish! And time to eat another one. And now I'll just eat a whole fistful because I can. French fries! Last ones! Get in my mouth! So good. Best challenge ever. Well, I've got two hands, so this should be a breeze for me. Ooh, I've got my first French fry. And now I'll fold it in half and put it in my mouth like this. Easy and yummy. And now for two fries. Look, I'm playing the drums. Ha! Just kidding. Time to eat these ones too. I'm having the best day of my life. Love French fries. Whoa. What the heck is she even doing over there? Ooh, now I have a mustache. How do you do? Just kidding. I'm gonna eat it. Why are you taking so long to eat them? They're getting cold. Hands off. And I don't mind if they're a little cold. Now excuse me, but it's time for my sunglasses. Heart once because I have a special french fry message for you. Yes! It totally worked like I hoped it would! Aw, you and the french fries love me! I love you too. Reveal your cards, players! Now we just need a subject. Noodles? It's our lucky day! Ready to complete this yummy challenge? Well, I get to use these. Seems easy enough, right? Twirling in noodles is the height of sophistication. Spicy! But you know what would be better? A crispy noodle waffle! Just gotta get set up here. On you go! See you in 5 minutes! Check out this masterpiece! 2 hands sure get you far. Yum! Spicy and sweet! Excuse me! Your turn, Leo. Just 1 hand, huh? My mouth still works just fine. Hey, it's messy, but it works! Boy, what a meal!
Well, I can do it with no hands. Huh? How long are these things? It's like they never end. Wait, I know.
Huh? Where's he going?
Do you mind? Ooh, nicely done! Whoa, so spicy! My mouth is on fire! Where did Leo go?
Just taking his new wings for a spin. How's the weather up there, Leo? One, 2, 3, go! And to eat? Ooh, hot delicious chicken wings! The ultimate finger food, but not necessarily.
With 2 hands, you can pull those bones right out.
Oh, looks so good.
They sure are.
My turn. 1 hand. There's no problem over here. Ta-da! But no one said it wouldn't be messy. Okay. A little help here, please? Yes, Miss Kylie. Just a little chicken assistance. Gotta protect the clothes. I'm still not using my hands. Here you go. My mouth is over here. We're getting the hang of it. Next. Wow, all in one bite. What would I do without you? Thanks. Nice and clean. Touch up. Beautiful. And now for the lips. Ooh, glossy's always the way to go.
I have a better idea. Hoods up and start quacking! Hey, it's what chickens do, right?
Are you a fast or slow eater? Let us know down below and hold your own eating challenge with your hungry friends. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe!